Dangerous Assignment, starring Brian Donlevy as Steve Mitchell.
Danger is my assignment. I get sent to a lot of places I can't even pronounce. They all spell the same thing, though, trouble. But when I walk into the commissioner's office, I don't realize this assignment's going to end up with my saving a guy's life by punching him right in the face. Morning, Commissioner. Ruth said you wanted to see me.
I do, Steve.
What's the deal this time?
The Ketnick talks.
He does?
No, it is.
Hey, what is this, the vaudeville routine?
Yeah, you're on first.
How am I doing?
Well...
Look, you better start from the beginning, huh?
Steve, tomorrow representatives of 2 Balkan countries are to meet in the border town of Ketnick.
Huh?
And don't start that again. To engage in some informal but highly important talks. To see if they can't iron out some of the difficulties that exist between them.
Sounds like a good idea, Commissioner. Maybe more countries should do a thing like that, huh?
Ordinarily, it would be a good idea, Steve. But there are 2 factors present in the situation that give the whole thing a slight aroma.
What do you mean?
In the first place, one of these countries, let's call it Country A, is controlled by interests which have a long-standing reputation for not wanting to smooth things out.
I see.
Not only that, according to our information, they have their eyes on Country B and would like some excuse to move in.
Well, granted that these Ketnick peace talks don't smell so sweet under those circumstances, what business is this of ours?
Ordinarily, it wouldn't be. But General Traska, the representative from Country A, has contacted us undercover and wants to talk to one of our agents. You've been elected.
What does he want to talk about?
We don't know, except that whatever it is, he insists on complete secrecy.
I don't like it, Commissioner. It could be some sort of a trick.
I don't like it either, Steve, but we've got to go along with it and find out what General Traska has on his mind.
Why?
Because he's offering us bait we can't refuse, the return of File 72 with the seal unbroken.
What?
That's right. As you know, File 72 is a plan of our troop dispositions in Europe. It was stolen from this country 2 weeks ago.
But how did General Traska get his hands on it?
Who knows? And at this point, who cares? It's vital that we get that file back, Steve.
Okay, how do I go about it?
Well, here's the schedule. General Traska is flying his own plane across the border to Ketnick sometime tomorrow night. The next day, he's holding a press conference. You're going to attend the General's press conference, posing as a foreign correspondent. When you ask the General a certain question, that will identify you to him.
Sounds like quite a lot of hocus-pocus.
The General insists on absolute secrecy. And as I said before, we'll have to go along with him for the time being. Now, Steve, get over to Ketnick and find out what's on General Traska's mind. And most important, bring File 72 back with you. Well, that's it. You've got your...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?